no. No. It's actually quicker. Yeah, it's actually quicker. Nice. Nice. Good morning, everybody. Another day, another beautiful day in Bangalore. The weather is a little warm, but yeah, it's pleasant. Can't complain. So, today is a very, very special day. I am super duper excited because I've been waiting for this day since almost like 2 years, I think. Ever since I came to know about these mods for Himalayan. I always wanted to put them in, but I have refrained from doing so till now because one thing, it might void the warranty, and I've had so many things replaced, especially from the engine side under warranty, so I didn't want to lose the warranty. That's one thing. Second thing is that I wanted to get bored of this motorcycle and then do all these mods so that I can enjoy this bike like it's brand new kind of thing. So, been saving up for a lot of months for all these mods because it is going to get shit expensive. The purpose of all these mods is not performance. I'm not looking to have more power or more torque or anything. I'm satisfied with the torque that the Himalayan gives, and power wise, yeah, I'm okay to cruise at 100-110 km per hour. The mods that I'm going to do is primarily because I want to make the riding experience smoother. Like, get every last bit of smoothness and everything what the engine has to offer. So we are on our way to HTRZ mods. It's one of the biggest motorcycle accessory in Bangalore, and you get almost everything over there, everything related to motorcycles, and they install it for you all as well. I'm going to get 3 or 4 things primarily. The first is BMC Air Filter, then a PoweRage aftermarket exhaust, X Lite, and NGK iridium spark plugs. Then if possible, if I have time today, I'll change the rear tire also to a brand new race moto PoweRage tires. And then maybe if I have time, I'll get the KTM mirrors as well. So let's do this. This place has changed a lot actually from the last time I came 2 years back. This place has changed a lot, meaning like this metro construction and all that has come. It doesn't look the same before. We have reached. This is HTRZ mods. Let's get in and let's get started. I'm excited, man, I'm excited. Got all the mods except for one, I think. The NGK iridium spark plug and the wire is not available, so other than that everything is sorted. I've installed all the 3, like the air filter, X Lite and exhaust, PoweRage exhaust. Only all 3 would give a performance boost if any, because even if you install the fuel X Lite, you need more air coming in, so that you'll have to install an air filter, and if you need more air coming in, you need a better exhaust as well to let the air out. So now the circuit is complete. Now this is the first reaction I'm going to do. Let me see if there is any performance increase at all. I love the exhaust note. There's a little bass to it, even with the dB killer. Nice open throaty feel, but not loud at all. Not loud than the stock exhaust, but it's got a nice grunt to it. Beautiful. Other than the exhaust note, I don't think I see any improvement of sort, but I feel it is smooth actually. Oh no. No. It's actually quicker. Yeah, it's actually quicker. Nice. So actually speaking, like even if you install a free flow exhaust and free flow air filter, and even if you modify the ECU a bit, there is not going to be much real life difference between all this, like the real time acceleration from 0 to 100, or the real time, increase in power, increase in torque, increase in acceleration. You're not going to see much difference. But what you're going to see is the whatever range this bike travels, the whatever range the bike goes, given the power or the torque or the speed, or whatever the given range this motorcycle has, it better utilize it. So throughout the entire range, you will not feel the bike much stressed. It will be much smoother. The ride experience will be much calm, and the engine temperature is supposed to drop is what I hear. But one way to find out initial impression, I think the throttle response has become a little more quicker, like we and it is kind of jumping, which was not there prior. It used to little bit lag and then start off, but I think that is reduced now. So the throttle response is a little bit better, and it's more open, like the engine doesn't feel stressed. But the real test you can find it out only when you go to the highway. That's where you stress out. That is where I stress out the engine the most. When I go at 6000 RPM at 120 kilometers per hour. That's where I need to check how it fares well. Got a new phone holder as well. The other one had the USB charger in that spoiled and it never worked after like few months, and moreover it was placed to one side. So got a new phone holder as well with a USB charger. Expensive, but a branded company, so I don't think it will get spoiled very fast. I'll put out a detailed review of all the three products. Not as a separate this thing, but what difference I found out when I installed the air filter, aftermarket exhaust, and the fuel optimizer. Because I believe changing just one of all the three is not going to give you any significant improvement in the performance or in the smoothness of the bike. Even if you change just the air filter, you have more air coming in, but it is not getting utilized by the ECU, and the back pressure of the stock exhaust is not going to let exhaust free flow. And even if you change the exhaust also, you will get a better exhaust note. That's it. The air coming in remains the same, and the fuel burning, the amount of the fuel that is getting burned in every cycle remains the same. So there's no point in changing just the exhaust. And even if you change just the exhaust and the air filter, yes, again, the exhaust note differs, that's it. The fuel to air ratio that's being burned by the engine remains the same again. And when you change all the three, the exhaust, the air filter, and the fuel injection parameters, then you will get to see a performance increase, because you have more air coming in through the air filter, and more air going out through the exhaust, so it is back pressure is less, and in return you are having more airflow through the engine and ECU. So ECU and ECU's parameters are getting changed to burn more fuel, and I mean not burn more fuel per se. So now on to the next mod. Is that a mod actually? I'm changing my rear tire to rise, or I don't know what that brand is called. I mean how it is pronounced, I don't know. A new brand, German brand, I think. They have a tire named Trailer, useful for both off-road and on-road. So I'm gonna check it out and then install it and then go home and call it a day. In GK, I think I'll order online and then have it installed nearby in some workshop. That is a better thing to do, because traveling all the way from Jaloli to BTM, it's like 1.5 hours of enduring the notorious Bangalore traffic. So we are nearing Torque Block, where we'll have our rear tire changed.
The MRF Mo Grip rear tire had given me a life of around 23,000 kilometers before the center patch completely wore off. It was time to change as the ABS was kicking in more often and the braking confidence had decreased. In the end, I changed my mind and ended up getting the Maxxis Maxxplore Tyres, even though the Trailer tires from Race Motor has better grip and tread pattern, which is highly suitable for off-road conditions. The folks at Torque Block told me that the Race Motor tires has a life expectancy comparable to the Seat. My main usage of about 70 to 80% would be the highways and only 20 to 30% would be off-road. The Maxxis Maxxplore Tyres has bigger tread block pattern, which is suitable more for the highways, and overall it has a decent grip off-road also. I'll put out a detailed review regarding the MRF Mo Grip tires and the Maxxis Maxxplore tires in another video. Stay tuned for that.
So the tire fitment is done. So two more items are pending. One is NG case, spark plug, spark plug, and then brake pads. I think I'll order it online, let it come, and then get it fixed somewhere else. I will surely put out, this is the initial impression. Pickup is nice. I love the exhaust note, and tires I think are very good. Still need to get on the highway and off-road and test it thoroughly. Then one thing I noticed after fuel, I think this is the fuel access thing, that low gears, like see I'm in third gear right now, I can around say climb this thing and still continue in third gear without knocking. See, very low rest, below 2000 reps also there is no knocking and there is no stalling, so that's absolutely brilliant. Anyways, I'll put out a detailed review of these mods in upcoming video. I have a ride coming up next week in Wayanad, so I think after that ride I think I'll put out a video in detail whether we should spend all this money around 30,000 rupees in getting all these mods and putting it on our Himalayan. Is it value for money? Does it make a lot of difference? So all that I think I will give you guys a detailed review. Like it's not fair on my part also to give the initial impressions as a review. So let me test it out on the highway, let me test it out off-road, on the hilly terrain, twisties, city traffic and everything, and then finally let you guys know what I think of it, what are the advantages, disadvantages and all that stuff. If you want all the detailed review of all the mods that I put till now, I mean like the ones that I put a year back, I have made detailed videos on that, and those videos are the most watched on my channel also. So kindly go check that out. I'll leave the link in the I button above. Those videos are a must, and you will find some value in it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me get lost in this notorious Bangalore traffic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you next time.